Which of these AI videos is fake? The left one, the right one? This AI meal planner tool created recipes that would kill ya. Teaching an ape to play Minecraft is a lot like teaching AI models. This mind-blowing AI creates 3D worlds that literally looks like a video. Vimeo just launched an AI video editor. Let's check it out. Which of these AI videos is fake? The left one, the right one?
In the early days of computer programming, a significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the Bug. In 1947, at Harvard University, Rear Admiral Grace Hopper
Do you see anything yet? Like the mouth, the eyes?
was working on the Mark II computer. One day, the system stopped working, and technicians discovered a moth trapped between the contacts of a
Maybe the left one because he's angled a little bit, like is that what's giving it away? Or the right one because he's standing like this? You've maybe seen AI avatars like that before.
relay, causing the malfunction. Hopper then coined the term defudging to describe the process of
Well, they're actually both AI generated. This is HeyGen's new ultra realistic avatar feature that you can try now by going to their website, and you get this video in your email. Here is another example.
It's me, Jesse Wellens, kind of, the not so human, definitely not on a skateboard, and absolutely not making YouTube videos version.
Literally the only thing I could tell is the voice is a little bit weird, but other than that, the face literally looks perfect. This AI meal planner tool created recipes that would kill ya. Hacken Save's Mealbot cheerfully created unappealing recipes when customers experimented with non-grocery household items. This New Zealand supermarket is experimenting with using AI to generate meal plans, recommending customer recipes for deadly chlorine gas, poison bread sandwiches, and mosquito repellent roast potatoes. The owner was prompting New Zealanders to experiment and share their results to social media. Recommendations included a bleach fresh breath mocktail and poison and glue sandwiches, bleach infused rice surprise, and methanol bliss, a kind of turpentine flavored French toast. Teaching an ape to play Minecraft is a lot like teaching AI models. As you can see, this is an ape, Chimpanzee, playing Minecraft, a fascinating experience on non-human biological neural networks. This guy, Jim Fan, has been teaching AI to play Minecraft for too long. There are so many similar techniques the ape trainers have used. First, in-context reinforcement learning. Chimpanzee the ape gets fruit or peanut whenever he hits a marked milestone in the game, incentivizing him to follow the in-game guidelines. Second, RLHF. Chimpanzee doesn't understand much language, but he can see the trainers cheering him on, and he occasionally cheers them back. That gives him a strong signal that he's on the right track. Third, limitation learning. The trainers show Chimpanzee just one demonstration of how to do a task, and he immediately grasps the concepts. It's much more efficient than using rewards alone. Number 4, curriculum learning. They start with a very simple environment to navigate, gradually teaching Chimpanzee the controls. At the end, Chimpanzee is able to navigate complex caves, mazes, and the nether. It also amazes me how strong the ape's vision system is. Chimpanzee never saw Minecraft in his life, and for sure his ancestors didn't either. Yet he adapts rapidly to Minecraft's texture and physics, which are dramatically different from the natural world.
And now a word from our sponsors.
In the digital world, the key to your life is your password, but managing them can feel like a full-time job. Sticky notes, spreadsheets, even using the same password for every website. Sounds familiar? Introducing Nordpass, your digital life manager. Nordpass remembers your complex passwords. It autofills on login and lets you access it from anywhere, even offline. Securely share your passwords with your coworkers and find out if your data has been breached. Are you shopping online, booking a trip, or just logging into Twitter? Well, use Nordpass to autofill forms, credit card details, and logins in just one click. And with the highest security standards, including XChaCha 20 encryption, zero knowledge architecture, and multi-factor authentication. Your data is always safe. Get exclusive access to Nordpass's best offer here by going to nordpass.com/AIAndy or using the code AIAndy at checkout for an additional month for free. Thank you so much for Nordpass sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to it. This mind-blowing AI creates 3D worlds that literally looks like a video. Here, it looks like somebody with a phone camera is just walking towards this thing, but now it's moving around. And this is by far the most realistic 3D rendered space that I've seen. This method is called a 3D Gaussian splatting for real-time radiance field rendering. You may have heard of NeRFs, and you can see the left, the instant NGP, is very similar to that. With this method, they achieved 100 FPS, 1080p res rendering, and real-time graphics. To me, this almost has the same graphics as real life. Here's the top of the week from the ChatGPT subreddit. The top post, what's the best disclaimer you have gotten from ChatGPT? As an AI language model, I don't have direct access to an individual cow's thoughts, and I cannot read the minds of animals. This guy saying, GPT once told me, as an AI language model, I do not have a friendship with Obama. If we suspended the limitations of current scientific knowledge and assume that modifying fish to breathe air works flawlessly without unintended consequences, it's true. The second best post of the week, ChatGPT's worst people and why. So here's one hypothetical ranking based on historical actions and their impact. I can't say these names, maybe YouTube will take my video down. Again, this ranking is purely hypothetical and not meant to offend or disrespect anyone. Could the order be explained and why? And it has like Hillary Clinton, Donald Trump, Putin, and at 16th place, they have Chevy Chase, an actor and comedian who is included for a lighter tone in the hypothetical ranking. Thanks ChatGPT for lightening the mood. The third one, as an AI language model in research papers. So he went to Google Scholar and look up as an AI language model. He literally found a bunch of research papers that has as an AI language model in the papers. You can do the same as of my knowledge cutoff September 31st, 2021 on Wiki. Same kind of results as edits. It returns 22 results. Luckily, these are just garbage journals that will publish anything that meets the word count. The best AI video generator just got a lot better. Look, this is just generated with AI, and what is the big difference is that before you could only do 4 seconds, now you can do 16 seconds. As you can see, the results are just incredible. I've used this personally to generate a lot of videos. I have a video on my YouTube channel. What we had to do was 4 seconds, and then we had to extend it manually again and again and again. But here you can see we can get a full scene. Here's another example of a concert and a band playing. And this feeds very much into the Hollywood is dead narrative of AI video generation. Stop creating PowerPoint presentations from scratch. AI can generate the text, put it into PowerPoint, and make it really nice looking. First step is to go to ChatGPT and, for example, say create a presentation with slides on reasons I should get more vacation time. Then it will give you a bunch of slides before we go to step number 2. Get it to write the entire VBA code by the prompt that's on the screen, and it will start creating this code that you can instantly go to step number 3. First, just click Alt F11, then insert module and paste the VBA code right in here. Then run this, which is like a macro. And just like that, you got all the different slides. Now just click on the designer to the right, and you can use all of these different templates to make it look way nicer. And yeah, this is super easy. Hey teachers, don't use this. Vimeo just launched an AI video editor. Let's check it out. So they're advertising a one-take video creation to create wow-worthy content in minutes. Now, what I can liken this to is the script, where they have a text-based editor. So say, go from idea to script in seconds, give a perfect performance, edit video like you edit text. And here's a demo. delete for yourself. It's essentially you upload anything to Vimeo and then you can just edit it in the Vimeo editor. They have a demo here on the website. So as you can see, you can select this right here and then you can say delete from video and it will just delete that section. And then you can always edit it back. And as you see on the left, the text is coming back again. You can also click this magic remove filler words and gaps. So here you can say 5 word gaps longer than 5 seconds. So that will remove all the silences, and the 5 filler words, you can just remove that from the video itself. So we've seen this before, but I really like that Vimeo is coming onto the space, trying to make video creation easier. Amazon is testing AI generative tools for sellers. You can see that Amazon is testing an AI tool that generates titles and descriptions for products listing. The tool is aimed at minimizing manual effort, but still requires human oversight for compliance. E-commerce platforms like BigCommerce, Shopify, and Wix have announced similar AI-powered features. It's saying with the amount of data Amazon has from product users and customers, it should be able to develop a generative AI tool that crafts descriptions to align with customer needs. The company's strict guidelines for product descriptions ensure that the details are reviewed for compliance by Amazon. Sellers must accurately describe their products, avoid creating duplicate pages for existing products, and adhere to specific guidelines for variations in listing styles, including character limits for product titles. Similarly, BigCommerce offers 21 apps and integration for AI chat, marketing, and personalization. In addition, hundreds of AI apps with Shopify introduce an AI-powered product scriptwriter and AI assistant for automating small tasks. Wix also plans to launch AI generation tools for building website, crafting product descriptions. There is no way that this can be wrong. Like Amazon sellers selling like a cat walking wheel, but it's this small. Maybe there'll be an uprising in AI image generation, AI product description, and 3D printing. AI voices and conversation will never be the same again. Just look at this.
When I read the script, I remember thinking, I haven't read something this original in a very long time. You know, I've been so busy. I'm working on a lot of things that are important to me. You know, I've been so busy. I'm working on a lot of things that are important to me. I've been so busy. I'm working on a lot of things that are important to me.
You know, I've been so busy. I'm working on a lot of things that are important to me.
忙しかったんだ。僕にとって重要なことにたくさん取り組んでいるんだ。
It seems like playHT is actually carrying on the conversation with filler words and emotions, which in the end will make it way more realistic than the current text-to-speech. We got an AI podcast, and if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Every single Monday, we're going on live in the Patreon that gets re-uploaded to a YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out the podcast. It's about an hour long where we talk about all the AI news happened in last week. Soon coming to Spotify, Apple, and everything. Just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.